Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So on this week's adventure we will take you to one of our favorite spots on the south coast, Jervis Bay. So we're going to show you in and around where we like to go when we're down here. We'll show you where we're staying for the next couple of days as well, and yeah, everything that Jervis Bay has to offer. So I'll show you where we're staying first thing. So give you a quick pan around. Some of the locals down there, and we're staying at this beautiful house which is right on the lake. And as we come through here, give you the grand tour. A nice deck, and coming in, got the living space and quarters, the other part of Inspiration Adventure. And yeah, so beautiful accommodation. So I think we'll head down to the water soon, and yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy. And this is the walk down to the water from the house that we are staying in. Not too bad at all. There's the house up there, and the water. Just here. It's like a 10-second walk, if that. So you got kayaks, boats, spot for fishing, or a little spot just to enjoy the view. Alright guys, so we just finished breakfast and we've just come down to the water, and we're gonna hop in the kayak and go along the river for a bit, see what we can see. here we are out on the water, just taking a nice little stroll in the kayak. Say hi. Yeah, and this is our view. Alright, so after a successful kayak trip, we just come back, got changed, and now we're just going to head out to the local national park, check out a walk there, and check out some of the beaches. So we'll see you there. So here we are at Lake Mackenzie, which is pretty much in the center of the Booderee Botanic Gardens. So yeah, there's plenty of different walks to do around here. I'd say it'd take a good couple of hours to see and do all the walks. You've got your main trail, which goes around pretty much the center of the Botanic Gardens, and you've got all these other little trails splitting off into different directions. So yeah, there's plenty to see or do. You could definitely come back multiple times and yeah, take different tracks and have a look around. In terms of how hard it is to walk around, it's very easy. Anyone could do it. Yeah, kids, elderly, anything like that. It's not hard at all. Tracks are all well paved and yeah, looked after. So yeah, definitely anyone can do it. But yeah, so much to see and do. The landscape changes heaps. If 1 minute you're walking through these, lush rainforest bits with heaps of ferns and greenery, and the next minute you're walking past these giant gum trees, and yeah, and then of course behind me here is the lake that you have as well. Yeah, plenty of birds and bits of wildlife running around at the same time. So yeah, really nice spot, plenty to see and do. Yeah, definitely a spot for the whole family to enjoy. So the Botanic Gardens contain plenty of spots for you to sit down and have a picnic at. There's a few barbecue facilities and toilets available as well. Guys, so that was Caves Beach. So that's about a 2-minute drive from the Botanic Gardens that we were just at. Yeah, very easy to get to. So yeah, 2-minute drive, park your car, and then you just walk down. There's a lookout that you can check out on the way down to the beach. And yeah, I believe you can camp here as well. Looks like there's a little walk as well with a swamp, and yeah, some other things to check out. There's a few facilities here, but yeah, beautiful beach. So I thought I'd take this time while we're just chilling out at the moment, and I'd come down to the water and just chuck a few sneaky lines in, see if I could get a nibble off anything. Hello, Mr. Fish. So here we are at the Huskinson Hotel, and this is one of our favourite spots to come to when we're around this area, and this is pretty much why. Can't beat that view. Morning guys, so it's our last morning here of our trip down in Jervis Bay, and yeah, we've just woken up, we've packed up, had breakfast, we're about to head out. So just want to give you some information on where we stayed. So the place is called Elmu's Cottage. It's in Jervis Bay. You can find it on Airbnb, and yeah, it's absolutely beautiful place. Fully self-contained, everything you need in here. All you got to do is basically bring food that you want. It's easy to get to, you don't need a 4x4 or anything like that. The host is Anne, and she's absolutely beautiful. Great person, very accommodating. And yeah, so as you've seen, it's right on the water. It's perfect for, you know, fishing, kayaking. They do have a little tinny there as well, so I assume you can take that out if you want to get on the water with that. And yeah, it's within driving distance of all the beaches that we've been to and the places that we've been to, so yeah, it's very well located. It's also directly near Sussex Inlet as well, and yeah, it's perfect for if you just want a romantic getaway, or just a getaway from the kids, or bring the kids as well. It can sleep, I think it sleeps up to 3 or 4 people. You'd have to double check on the website, but yeah, it can sleep a few, and I believe it's dog friendly as well, but just double check that as well. So yeah, awesome place, and yeah, highly recommend it. So we are going to hit the road, but we're going to stop at a few places along the way, and yeah, show you those as well. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, so here we are at our final stop, Hines Beach. It's probably the most popular of all the beaches that we go to when we're down here, but with views like this you can see why. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. So all the places that we've been to are within driving distance of where we stayed. And yeah, if you have any questions, just drop them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.